Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is Kadai Paneer. Now everyone likes paneer, right? And everyone has their own version of making Kadai Paneer. Now let me show you how to make this simple, quick and easy recipe. So flavorful, everyone will love it, I guarantee you. Let's get started, come on.
Let's get the Kadai Masala ready before we go ahead with the other preparations. Dry roast the spices on low heat until nice and fragrant and they change color slightly. Perfect. This is ready. Keep aside to cool a bit. No need to make a fine powder, just grind coarsely. This masala is so aromatic. Try to separate the onion layers. We will mix these and saute on high heat until slightly charred. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. We need to season well for a more vibrant and fragrant dish. Now remember, we need to just mix the tomatoes and not mash them. Keep these veggies aside for a while. No need to change the pans, recycle the same. Crushed ginger and garlic gives an amazing flavor to the dish. No need to cook them down, just saute for a few seconds. Now these are everyday spices which are necessary for an amazing punch to the final dish. Don't worry if it looks dry, we still have to add a few more ingredients. Tomato puree will give a nice tang to the final dish. Cook until the oil separates. This is the prepared Kadai Masala we made earlier. 2 to 3 tablespoons should be good. We will adjust it later if required. Mix well and we will adjust the consistency by adding just a little water. Bring this to a boil and let the oil separate again. Sauteed veggies go back in for a final toss. Just a pinch of sugar to balance the tartness of the tomato puree. Kasuri methi is an absolute must to make the dish finger-licking delish. A final garnish of coriander leaves and julienned fresh ginger and we are almost done. Please do subscribe for more amazing recipes posted every week. Freshly grated paneer will take the dish a level up in taste and appearance, don't you think? This looks absolutely amazing and hope you make it soon. Thanks for watching.
I told you it was a quick and easy and flavorful recipe. Now you can even replace paneer with tofu for a vegan version. I hope you like this recipe. I know you're going to make it next time. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next week.